Happy last week of October. We are going to continue working on coordinate plane activities this week. Monday, you are going to be doing a coordinate plane activity with me. We have a review, a little quick song and video to watch as well to help you guys remember how to graph coordinate points. On Tuesday, you're going to be doing an activity on your own. I have some very detailed instructions in a video for you, so make sure you don't forget to watch that. Wednesday, you'll be doing your 30 minutes of MobyMax this week on your math pathway. Thursday, we are going to be taking some notes on how to find perimeter and area after you've graphed points on a coordinate plane. Excuse me. And then on Friday, you're going to be practicing what we learned on Thursday in a slide activity that has some detailed instructions. I just want to review with you that in this week at a glance, I always have a word wall for the unit. This is a nice visual to help remind you about coordinate planes and parts of it, and then absolute value and opposites and stuff on a temperature or thermometer, sorry. Our online expectations, you should review those all the time. And then, of course, every day I go through and tell you what our learning objective is and what we are doing. So if you ever need some help, those are also in Google Classroom. It's just this is more for my organizational purposes, but you're welcome to look at them as well.